Hello, Japanese woodblock print enthusiasts and collectors. Today I'm going to be unboxing a print from Japanese Gallery in Kensington, England. And I bought many prints from this gallery. They always use these cool silver envelopes. Alright, let's see what we have. Right away we can see it's not been backed, so that's great. Wow. First glance, the condition is really nice. Look at that beautiful saturated red. So what are we looking at here? It's by Kunichika from his major 1869 series, 32 Fashionable Physiognomies. Physiognomy means a person's facial features or expression, especially as it indicates character. So it's basically a study of different types of women. The reason that there are 32 prints in this series is a reference to the 32 traits of the Buddha. I looked them up, and here's a list of Buddha's 32 traits. I especially like number 8, thighs like a royal stag, number 10, well-retracted male organ, and number 25, jaw like a lion. Kunichika wasn't the first to work in this physiognomic theme. Here is a famous print from Kitagawa Utamaro from 1803. The title is Woman Holding a Pipe, from his series 5 Physiognomies of Beauties. Can I note here that this is one of the least flattering portraits I've ever seen of a woodblock artist, or any artist for that matter. Moving on. This next one is from Kunichika from 1822, called The Clever Type, from his series 32 Physiognomic Types in the Modern World. Thanks for indulging that segue. Now let's get back to my print. What attracted me to this series is not only the simplicity and focus on the figure, but also that this series shows a trend towards more realistic depictions of women, not the stylized beauties of the past. And according to my translator, I think the woman in this print is wishing for something. And on that note, I wish you all have a great week. Happy collecting!